To install the glass windshield kit on your RZR Pro XP, Pro S, and multi-passenger models, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure the vehicle is in park, and remove the key. If accessory roofs are installed, they will need to be removed to install this kit. Then, remove 2 screws from the center hood to remove the center hood panel from the vehicle. Begin by removing and keeping the compression gasket from the corner of the windshield by disengaging the clip at the rear of the gasket. Next, remove the adhesive backing and install the corner seal to the corner of the windshield assembly. Make sure to thoroughly clean the surface area with cleaning solution before installing the seal. The outermost tab of the corner seal will wrap around the side of the windshield assembly. The lower tab of the corner seal will stick to the upper glass seal. Now, install the kept compression gasket to the windshield assembly by engaging the clip at the rear of the gasket with a slot in the windshield assembly. Then, make sure the upper and lower gaskets are fully engaged with the side frame of the windshield assembly. If accessory roof light bar is installed, disconnect it from the harness before proceeding. If the factory roof will be in use, pull the roof clamp latches forward and open the clamps at the front corners of the roof. For 4-passenger vehicles, remove and keep the screws from the center crossbar of the roof. Now, remove and keep 2 screws from the rear corner of the roof. Then, lift the roof upward and pull it rearward to remove from the vehicle. Next, place the roof upside down on a level surface and remove the factory seal if present. Then, install the bulb seal to the front lip of the roof. After this, place the windshield assembly in place on the vehicle. The upper flange of the assembly fits under the ROPS corner brackets. Make sure the lower edge of the assembly is pushed completely against the dash. Do not remove the blue tape from the windshield assembly at this time. Install the roof to the rear of the vehicle by engaging the 3 clamps to the rear ROPS crossbar. Continue by installing the roof to the front ROPS crossbar. Lock the clamps in place at the front of the roof by closing the latches. Now, loosely install screws at the rear corner of the roof. Next, on 4-passenger vehicles, loosely install screws at the center crossbar of the roof. Torque roof screws to specification. Then, make sure the windshield is centered. Remove the blue tape from the windshield assembly. And loosely install the center clamp using screw and washers. Make sure the frame surface is completely free of any debris and that the clamp is fully seated in the recess of the frame. Next, loosely install the upper and lower clamps using screws and washers. After this, make sure the windshield assembly is centered. Torque all clamp screws to specification. If accessory roof light bar was previously disconnected, reconnect it to the harness. Next, install 2 screws to the center hood panel and torque to specification. Warning: if transporting vehicle in a non-enclosed trailer, the vehicle must face forward. Failure to comply may allow airflow, vibration, or other factors to separate the windshield from the vehicle and cause an accident resulting in serious personal injury or death. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.